Hi everybody. So today I'm going to show you program in Java to input three floating point numbers and display the greatest amongst them. So a floating point number is basically a decimal point number. So let's go to the program. The first statement is import java.util. This statement is used to import the utility package in Java. The utility package in Java consists of the scanner class, which I will be talking afterwards. Then class greatest. This is used to initialize the name of the class is greatest. Then open the braces. The next statement is public static void main. Public is a keyword which is an access specifier. Static is used to define the main function. Then there is void. Void basically means nothing. So if the main function is not going to return anything, we write void. Then there is string args. String is a data type in Java used for words, and args which is short for arguments. You can use any variable over here, but mostly people prefer args. So the next statement is scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in. This statement is used to input a number, or it is basically used to input something in Java. Then there is sc, which is, you can use any variable instead of sc over here, but then afterwards you have to use the same variable. Then the new keyword is used to initialize the scanner, and then system.in, that is used for inputting. Then there is double ABC. This statement is used to initialize the three variables which we are going to use to input the three floating point numbers. So because they are floating point numbers, we are going to use double. You can use float if you want, but double has more memory storage, so I'm using double over here. System.out.println. This statement is used to print a specific sentence or a variable if you want. ln over here represents that after printing this statement over here, the cursor is going to go to the next line in the Java virtual machine. So it will print enter three floating point numbers, then the user would enter three numbers which we are going to accept and store in three variables A, B and C. And here I've used SC because I've initialized it as SC over here. Then we are going to write next double with a D capital because we have initialized A, B and C as a double value. Then brackets open and close and a semicolon. Same for B and C. Now we are going to check which number is greatest. For this, we are going to check whether the first number, that is A, is greatest or not. For that, we will have to check whether A is greater than B and A is greater than C or not. If it is not greater than either B or C, it is not the greatest number. So it has to be greater than both B and C. So if A is greater than B and C, it will print this statement, which is greatest number is equal to, and then plus A, because A is the greatest number here. So the next statement is if B is greater than A and B is greater than C. So for B to be the greatest variable or floating point number, we have to check whether B is greater than A and B is greater than C. So if B is greater than both, it will print this statement, greatest number is equal to B. Same for C, we'll check whether C is greater than A and C is greater than B, and we'll print this statement. So now we have got the greatest variable, that is either A, B or C. Whichever one it is gonna print it, and then we'll close void main, and then we'll close the class, and this is the complete program. Now I'll show you the output. This is the output. It says enter 3 floating point numbers. I'm going to enter any 3 random decimal point numbers. 12.0, 45.9, 50. So here's the output. Greatest number is equal to 50, and that's correct. Thank you everybody for watching, and if you have any doubts or you want me to solve any other programs from ICSE 9th or 10th standard syllabus, you can comment down below. Thank you.